Hello, friends. Today, we're going to learn about colors. Are you excited? Let's go on a colorful adventure together. Our first color is red. Red like a juicy apple and a beautiful rose. Next, we have blue. Blue like the sky and the deep ocean waves. Here comes yellow. Yellow like the bright sunshine and yummy bananas. Look at this. It's green. Green like the leaves on the trees and the grass in the park. Wow, orange. Orange like the fruit in a friendly pumpkin. Now, it's time for pink. Pink like cotton candy and soft, fluffy clouds in the sunset. Ooh, here's purple. Purple like a bunch of grapes and a pretty flower. Next up is brown. Brown like the teddy bear and the soil that helps plants grow. Now, we have white. White like the snow and fluffy clouds. And finally, we have black. Black like the night sky and a cute black kitten. Wow! You've learned so many colors. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, brown, white, and black. Great job, everyone!